Sure.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, master.
Please, all of you, open your cam. Muhammad, 16.
المستر بيج نمبر 1 بيج نمبر 1
Guys, open your cam, please.
what
Ahmad Amr, Ahmad Robi,
material
Yamin. All of you, open your cam, please. Ziad Khalid, Ahmad Amr, Yamin.
Mister, you can hear me?
Hamza Rafat, please open your cam. Hamza
This
Rafat.
what master.
Prepare your exercise book, page number 6. Exercise book, page number 6. Exercise book, page number 6. Page numéro 6.
Mister, we write it. We write this.
I know what we talk. Amr, are you there? Ahmad Amr.
What?
Open your cam, please, Ahmed. Exercise numéro 10, exercise number 10. Exercise numéro 10, exercise number 10. I will mute you all right now to hear me very well. Okay? And if you want to answer, please raise your hand.
ضحكني والله.
Master.
Hamza, why you are raising your hand? You have a question? Hamza Rafat,
No, sorry.
please lower your hand, please.
Okay.
In this exercise, we said last week that we must do some steps to transfer the noun from masculine to feminine. Some words stay the same, will not change. Some words will not change. Some other words, we removed some letters from it, 3 letters or 4 letters, and we replace it with other letters. Let's see who remember. N. You can see on the left side here, this is the name masculine or the noun masculine. We should write it's feminine. So let's start. Embalayer. Embalayer, it means sweeper. Sweeper, the one who sweeps. Embalayer. If you notice, this word ends with 3 letters. E, U, R. These 3 letters, I circled them. So what we took last week, we have to remove these 3 letters and replace it with what? We will replace them with 4 letters. As you see, imbalayez. Imbalayez. So we replaced E, U, R with E, U, S, E. That's the way we convert the noun from its form masculine to feminine. Also, we talked last week that some nouns that end with this letter E, what we will do for it. Who remember? Please raise your hand. Adam? Hamza?
We will keep the same word.
Excellent.
Not change anything.
Excellent. Excellent, boy. Excellent. We will not change anything in this word. It remains the same in its form, masculine as feminine. Will no change. An artiste, it will stay the same here in artiste. Nothing will change. Un peintre, un peintre. Un peintre, it means painter, the one who paints the building or the house. Peintre, un peintre. Also, if you notice, this word ends with, who can answer? Muhammad? Muhammad Al-Harazin.
Mr. Page, what?
Page number
I
6.
don't was in the period.
Page number 6. Yamin Khalid.
We will remove E.
Why? Look at the upper one, artiste. What we did?
We have E. We will remove E in the.
In the upper one, did we remove the final E from it? No.
No, we.
So it is the
We
same.
will go. We
It
will
is the
put
same.
E.
It is the same. No. No.
No, it's the same. It's the same.
It's the same. Thank you. Peintre, the painter, its féminin will do nothing. It will stay the same. Here on the right side, employee ends with what? Ends with double E. Ends with double E. So what we will do to go back to the to the masculine form? Who knows? Adam?
We remove one
Excellent, Adam. Excellent. Yes, in this type of nouns that ends with accent aigu, after it comes we remove this one. We will remove this one. See what I will do here? I will remove this one. Excellent, Adam. Excellent. Employee. It becomes accent aigu seulement. Only one In cuisine. In cuisine. In cuisine. What we will do to this noun? Muhannad Muhammad.
What, mister? What?
You are raising your hand. You want to answer?
Yes. Mister, I make it. I make it. I make it in the book.
You make it.
Yes.
How you make it?
I make it.
By yourself?
Yes.
Okay, tell me the answer and revise your answer because it might be wrong.
Okay.
In cuisine, it becomes what? We want to make it in the masculine form.
In Luzin,
Yes, this one.
we will circle the E.
Yes.
And cancel
Okay,
the
cancel what?
O.
Cancel what? Quickly, Muhammad.
And we will cancel the I.
No, wrong. Wrong. Correct your answer. In cuisine, it becomes what? Only we will omit this letter, the final E. It becomes like that. Cousin. Notice here, there is no E. And directeur. And directeur, it means director. And directeur. See who's raising his hand. Ahmed Medhat.
Yes.
Yes, Ahmed.
We will put
We will put what? No.
E.
No. Concentrate. Look with me. This word contains these 4 letters that I will circle right now. T-E-U-L. T-E-U-L. We will remove these 4 letters and replace it with, we will remove it and we will replace it with C, directrice. We replace them by these letters. Five letters. T-R-I-C-E. Un professeur. Un professeur. From masculin to féminin. Un professeur. Un professeur. Ahmed Amr.
What, mister?
You are chatting to me, you wanted to answer, so I asked you to answer right now.
Yes.
Please raise your voice.
Professor.
Raise your voice, please.
Okay. And yes, Mister, we will erase EUR.
Professeur. No, it's not correct. Professeur, this words, this type of word like professeur, it's irregular. So we will put only E. We just add this letter to it. Un écrivain, it means writer. Female writer. Un écrivain. Un écrivain. This is also irregular. I will answer it by myself. Un écrivain, it means female writer. So this type of noun like écrivain, it will stay the same. It becomes in the masculine the same. Un écrivain. Un écrivain. Male writer. But this one, it's very easy. Un ami, friend, female friend. Un ami. Who wants to answer? Who's raising his hand? Safe.
Yes.
You are raising your hand. Tell me your answer, please. See if you have an
Yes.
answer. You have an answer?
Yes.
Tell me. Thank you, Saif, for not answering. Thank you. Please, if you don't have an answer, please lower your hand. Mishal?
Okay. We circle the A.
That what?
I said we circle the A.
The A. Okay, this letter.
Yes.
After
Yes.
that,
We keep it the same.
why we circle it? No, we will remove it. We will cancel the final E. See, it becomes enemy. Enemy. We will remove it.
Oh.
Enemy. I know it's difficult because this almost of these nouns are irregular. Un juge, we took this noun, un juge. It becomes what in the feminine? Un juge. Un juge. Muhammad Munir.
Okay, Mister. We will keep it the same.
Excellent, Muhammad. Excellent, boy. Un juge, it means a judge. This noun, this type of noun, we will do nothing to it. It will stay the same, or will we keep it the same, as Muhammad Munir said. Un juge. All of these that we talk till this are nouns. but this one is adjective. Gros, gros, it's adjective. So this adjective is irregular also. It ends with S. So what we will do to this type of adjectives, we will double the final S, double the final S. After that, we will add E. See? First, we doubled the final S. The S becomes double, SS, and we add E. So, in the total, you can add SE. In maîtresse, what does it mean? Gros, it means large. Gros, the meaning of gros, it means large. I will type it for you right now. Gros, it means large or big. Saifuddin, you are sending something to me. What do you want? You sent a file for me, a Word file. No. Answer in your exercise book. Answer it in your exercise book. Of course, you have to write it. You are not watching a movie. In maîtresse, what does it mean in maîtresse? It means female teacher. In maîtresse, it becomes a maître. A maître. Notice here what I did. I just erased the SSE. Also, this type of noun is irregular. In maîtresse, it means female teacher. And maître, it means male teacher. In femme, it means a woman. I will unmute you all right now.
Mister, we make this page before.
I know it, Mister. Yes,
Mister, you make with us
know
this
it.
page. Stop. Mister, I have a question.
Please raise your
Mister,
hand. Please raise your hand. All of you, lower your hand. If you have a question, please raise your hand.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Mister,
If you have a question, please raise your hand. First of all, the one who asking about the bathroom, we just start the period or the session 20 minutes ago. If you wanted to go, go without a permission. But it is not a rule. Yusuf Ahmed, what's your question?
Mister, I think you make with us this page before.
We solved this exercise.
Yes, we make an exercise 9
We
and
will
10.
revise it. Okay, we finished it. Thank you. Yamin Khalid, what's your question?
I want to answer
You want to answer what?
the last one.
The last one. Okay, answer it.
Circle O and we will put O-M-M-E.
What does it mean, femme, in English? Femme.
From
Irregular. And its meaning women. What is the masculine form of women in English? Man. So it has no
we
rule.
will put H-O-M-M-E.
Yes, an Right now, we will take a new part of our session today, les articles partitifs. What does it mean, les articles partitifs? Wait and see. I want you to think what these are and what we use it and where we put it in the sentence. Les articles partitifs. It's a small letters. We can put it before some words. Let's see les articles partitifs. Je mange deux poulets. What does it mean? Je mange deux poulets. It means I eat chicken. Je mange deux poulets. Je bois du café. Je bois du café. Je bois du café. It means I drink coffee. Je mange du poulet. I eat chicken. Je bois du café. I drink coffee. Je mange du fromage. Je mange du fromage. What does it mean? I eat cheese. I eat cheese. So, see what is similar here in each one of these sentences. De. We write in each one of these sentences de before the things that we eating or drinking. Du poulet, du café, du fromage. Okay? Let's see another example. Je mange de la confiture. Je mange de la confiture. What does it mean? I eat jam. I eat jam. Je mange de la confiture. It's different here. De la, it's not the same. Du, that we talk it in 3 examples. Je mange de la viande. Je mange de la viande. I eat meat. Je mange de la viande. I eat meat. Je mange de la salade. I eat salad. Notice here in these 3 sentences that we are repeating the same article partitif de la. De la. So, in the first 3, we repeated du. In the second 3 or the last 3, we repeated de la. Let's see. Je mange, je bois de l'eau. Je bois de l'eau. Je bois de l'eau. It means what? It means I drink water. Je bois de l'eau. I drink water. Here is a different one. De l'apostrophe. Notes here. Je mange de l'avocat. Je mange de l'avocat. Avocat, it's a kind of fruit. Je mange de l'avocat. It's a kind of fruit. Je mange de l'avocat. Also, we repeat it here, de l'apostrophe. This one. De l'apostrophe. Je mange des croissants. Je mange de croissants. I eat croissant. Here, notice a new one. Des. Des. D-E-S. Des. Je mange des croissants. Je mange des fruits. I eat fruits. I eat fruits. Je mange des fruits. Je mange des légumes. I eat vegetables. So, how many words that we used before the noun here? At this moment, we talk in this page to, de, and de, l apostrophe. And the one before we took do, et, do la. So it will be for article partitif. What these are article partitif and how we use it, let's see. As you see this table, if the noun comes after it is masculine, concentrate with me. It's very important. If the noun comes after it is masculine, we will put de. Singulier masculin. Singular but masculine. We will put before the noun de. And if it féminin, if it is féminin singulier, we will put do la. And if it is singulier voyelle, what does it mean voyelle? Voyelle, it means that the noun will start with one of these letters. A, E, I, O, U, Y, H. If the nouns, if any noun starts with one of these, we will put the L apostrophe. So we will put it in any one, yes, because it will start with voyelle, one of these letters. A, E, I, O, U, Y, H. So if the singular starts with voyelle, we will put this before it. What about the plurial? The plural is very, very simple. The plural only we put de before it. Masculine, féminin, voyelle, anything, we will put de. So, I will unmute you all right now to take some questions.
Start.
Yes.
نعم.
Anyone have a question? Yes. Please raise your hand. If you have a question, please raise your hand.
بتعمل والله.
It seems to be now one have a question. Okay. Let's answer question number 11, page number 6. Je bois, je bois, je bois. Yes, Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
I want to answer. I'm raising hand.
Okay. The first one, je bois limonade. Limonade, before we answer, we have to know which type of noun this. It is masculine or féminin, because we use before the masculine du. This one, we use it before masculine. Notice.
Masculine.
Wait. This one, du before masculine, du la before féminin, and de L apostrophe before the voyelle. So we have to know. First, we must know what limonade is, masculin or féminin.
It's feminine.
Excellent boy, excellent. Limonade, féminin. So what we will use for it? Dula.
Yes, dula.
Dula, excellent. Je bois du la limonade. We will underline it and we will write féminin. F, it means féminin.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hamza. Hamza Rafat.
Yes.
The second
Number-
one.
Okay. Chef. Fromage.
Fromage.
Yeah.
Excellent. Huh? First, we have
It
to
is
know
masculine.
fromage masculin. We talked it in the example few seconds ago. Je cherche fromage masculin.
it is
So what we will use for it? Du. Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ibrahim Taysir.
Il boat.
Il boit. Il boit means drink. He drinks. Il boit. Repeat after me. Il boit. Say it boit. Il boit. Thank you.
Il boit.
Il boit lait. What kind of word is this? Masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. Excellent. So what we will use for it?
Du.
Du. Excellent. Thank you. Excellent, Ibrahim Taysir. Let's move to the fourth one. Vous buvez. Vous buvez. You drink. Eau plate. Eau means water. Eau means water. But notice here what? Eau. Ziad Khalid.
We will choose دول.
The L apostrophe. Why, Ziad?
Because
It starts with what?
E.
And this type of letter, what we call it? Voyelle. Excellent. Voyelle. Say it again, please. Voyelle. Excellent. Thank you. The L apostrophe. What do you have next session? What do you have next session?
السلام
وعليكم
منير. منير.
ايوه
ايه رايك في حصة البيت نلعب مع بعض؟
لا عندنا مات
The master is here.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? Okay, let's go on. You know the rules. I'm gonna mute all of you. Don't open your mic without asking for a permission. Keep your camera on, please. Ibrahim, Taysir, Hamza, in 1 second. Prepare your stuff to be ready.